Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. So why does it make sense to update HBAR? Because HBAR has formed a 5-wave move up from the April low, so we do have some indication that the trend is actually up and the bulls want to take the lead here with this 5-wave move up. That's typically what happens when we're tracking these 5-wave movements. It's an indication that the actual trend is up. And then the subsequent pullback normally shouldn't get that close to the beginning of the wave 1. This 5-wave move up is wave 1. The pullback could be classed as wave 2, but honestly, very, very close to invalidation. So it's very questionable if this really was a low in wave 2. But again, as I always say, the invalidation point is really what counts, not support so much, especially not in this time frame, especially when we're dealing with altcoins. Sometimes pullbacks are deep. As long as we don't invalidate the structure, well, it's valid, guess what? And we're now watching if the bulls can generate a 5-wave advance in wave 1 in blue. So I will tell you what we need to see for that, but please note, any lower low, so another low below the 22nd of June low, the Sunday low, which formed here at around 12.6 cents, will lead to invalidation of this 1-2 setup. So this is kind of the last opportunity for the bulls to start a so-called third wave rally, which can take us, I think, in the first instance to round about 28 cents, this previous swing high, which formed here on the 2nd of March. It's also an area that was traded quite frequently, the 28 cent area. So I just want to show in this video what I need to see to confirm that we have actually bottomed there on the 22nd of June. I do need to see a 5-wave move up. What I have seen so far is only a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, maybe, like that's what I'm tracking on many charts at the moment. We're now in wave 4 and we could get one more high in wave 5. So let me change the color so it all matches up nicely. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see more clearly here that this is so far a 3-wave move up. The question is this third wave high enough? It is. Normally what we want is that the third wave gets to the 1.38 extension at least. Yep, did get to the 1.618 extension. That's all good. So all we need to do now is to identify what is actually micro support for this wave 4, because as long as we're holding that, the market could be working on a 5-wave move up. And why is that important? Well, if you watched our tutorial videos, then you know the 5-wave move up is, again, an indication the trend is up. That means after this downtrend that potentially ended here on Sunday, we have the next evidence that the next rally might have started. So, yep, holding this micro support area would be helpful. 14.3 cents to 14.9 cents, and then one more high is needed for a full 5-wave pattern. When we have that, I will add support for wave 2. That's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.